my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand, but my knees go weak.
What's up, what's goody? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IshaMoy. If it's your first time here, so I just got home. This is going to be my vacation preparation vlog. So if you guys don't already know, I am going to be going to Punta Cana in 4 days, well 3 days actually. Today's November 14. Today's November 14th, and I leave on the 17th. So I have pretty much everything. I have all my outfits and stuff. I just collected like 3 or 4 packages with the rest of my outfits. I'm going to adjust my outfits. I'm going to spend the rest of the evening adjusting my outfits, and I'm going to start packing them into my suitcase. Tomorrow I have a nail appointment, and I'm going to do my nails and my toes. And then the day after that, I think I might do my lashes. I'm still not sure if I want to do my fusions, but I might do my lashes. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to do my braces, because some of my brackets have broken off. It looks weird. I was gonna just take the braces off, but I feel like I like the look, so I might just go and get them fixed. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have going on. I have like some of my shoes lined out over there, my suitcase is there, and right now I'm just going through my packages as I said. So for now, these are the shoes and stuff that I have. This is some bed slides. Oh, somebody also got me this watch today, which yeah, I'm very happy about this. Perfect timing. So yeah, I have a bunch of shoes and stuff. I don't know what I'm taking yet, but I think I'm gonna bring most of these. I haven't worn a lot of them yet. I got hair everywhere, but I haven't worn a lot of them yet. So I have like outfits and stuff planned with some of these. So yeah, this is just like my shoes lined out because I don't know what I'm gonna be wearing yet. And then this is the current state of my suitcase. I've taken out a lot of these, but I need to adjust them. So I need to sew them so that they can fit. But yeah, it's a lot. And then I have, as I said, I picked up 3 packages today with some more stuff, so I'm gonna go through them and try them on. But there's a lot of outfits and stuff, and my suitcase is pretty huge, so hopefully it doesn't weigh too much, especially with the amount of stuff that I'm bringing. As I said, packages. This is pretty much what's left of the packages. I have this big box right here, this one right here, and then this one which I already opened. So I'm just gonna go through these and, you know, decide what I'm gonna wear and what I'm gonna have to adjust or whatever. But I cannot tell you guys how excited I am to try these on. I'm not gonna do like a whole try on haul because the video is just gonna be super long. Or if I do decide to do a try on haul, I'll film that when I actually get to the resort. But yeah, these are the packages that are left, and I'm just excited. But I know I'm gonna be tired tonight because if you guys know how small I am, so I'm probably gonna have to adjust most of these clothes plus the clothes that I already showed you guys in the suitcase. So I'm gonna be sewing for the rest of the evening, but I want to get it done so that I can go and focus on my nails tomorrow, and then I'll just have my hair and my lashes left, and then we'll be ready. As I said, today is Tuesday and I leave on Friday, so I need to get everything out of the way.
We are sit the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we not spray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but
So you guys, this is the progress for my suitcase thus far. I have some more stuff to go in there, some more shoes, and the clothes that I was supposed to adjust. I'm gonna get to adjust them. So I have those to adjust, and then those will go here. But apart from that, I'm pretty much done packing. But right now I actually have a wax appointment in the other room, so I'm gonna do that. Y'all, look at the aesthetics in the spa. It's giving Unless you're supposed to have soft music I play. You don't have no soft music I play. Guys, these are the wax beads. This is the wax. Why is it black? So this is the wax. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go back in my little spot. I don't even know how I forgot to tell you guys that I was gonna get waxed. You said my appointment was 10 o'clock. What time is it now?
I said 10:30.
You said 10.
I said.
Oh, that's a butterfly? I didn't learn that. Oh, is this the hard wax? Is this the hard wax?
It just is the wax.
You're not testing, Brittany. You need to be more neat. Whoa, what kind of string them there? Come on.
No, you are who.
But you're supposed to wrap it around. Come on, man. Do better. Get them, Reggie.
Maybe don't say I be so. Come sit down.
Nope. No. Me go near.
Eat it.
The next morning, I'm actually on the way to go do my nails. I look rusty, but my car is waiting, so I gotta go. But yeah, I'm gonna do my nails. Work, man. Mama watch is so big. You can buy me a watch band. How you know? Why your foot them bend up like that? Turn around so we can see you. Yeah, man, that you like move.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think.
Alright, so instead of scheduling all 3 appointments different places, I decided to do all 3 of them in one place. It's almost 2 o'clock and when I reach nowhere yet.
Night is calm, but sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out.
Guys, tell me why I'm about to do my lashes, right? I just said I have to take off my hat. Hold on, hold it. I'm gonna fix it. You're not going to take a picture of me when you're done. So I'm bad.
Scream and cry.
Sit down, vomit. Right? If me do color, I'm not gonna color. Alright, you guys, so my lashes are finished. They're a bit red right now. They're a bit red right now because I just got finished, but I'm heading home. I got bottom lashes. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. But yeah, I also include the tech and screen. Let's go. Come, bring the jackets. I need to get a jacket from here. Oh, my KFC. We're twinning, by the way, guys. And my camera dirty, man. Show them your cracks. Okay, go on now. Alright, see there now. Much better. You're not in it, miss. We don't know where you dive go. Alright, you guys, I made it back home. This is what my lashes look like. It's a little bit longer than what I normally go for. But it's cute. It's cute. Her work is super duper neat. Customer service is A1. My fingers, I'm going to show you guys my fingers. I didn't love them at first, but that's normally how it is when I get anything done, any service done at all. I have to like grow into it. So I'm going to show you guys my toes and my fingers. And in the morning, I'm going to finish sewing the rest of my clothes and finish packing and I might get my braces fixed as I said, and then I'm pretty much gonna be ready. So these are the fingers. I feel like I have ugly toes, so don't mind that, but this is the toes. I've never done French on my toes before, so I'm kind of warming up to them. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, you guys, I'm pretty much done packing and sewing. This is what my luggage is looking like, and I have, you know, like miscellaneous items up there. So I'm gonna zip my suitcase up. I'm gonna show you guys my carry-on as well, and then I'm gonna measure my suitcase to ensure that, well, to try to ensure that it's not above the weight that it's supposed to be, but it just might be. All right, so this is what we use to measure the luggage. Right, so I think it's supposed to be, okay, let's do pounds. Let me set you guys up. All right, so oh shit. All right, so it's 18 kilograms. I'm not sure how much it's supposed to be, so I'm gonna check it, but it's 18 kilograms. All right, you guys, so I just checked. The carry-on is supposed to be 12 grams. This one is currently 8. My one is 8. And the checked luggage is supposed to be 20 grams, and mine is 17.9. So basically 18 grams. So I'm still within the allotted weight, so that's good. But I'm pretty much done packing. All right, y'all, so it's sometime after 11 right now. This is my tripod, by the way. I had to get a new tripod today, so this is my tripod. All of my devices are basically charged except my phones. Sometime after 11 right now, but I'm going to install this wig. Remember this wig I showed you guys the other day, and I was like, you guys are gonna see it again soon. Yeah, you guys are gonna see it again now, but this time I'm gonna wear it straightened. So I'm gonna install her. It's a closure, so it's not gonna take long. So I'm gonna install her, and then I'm basically finished because I already did my eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm basically finished. I need to sleep because I'm gonna be up early tomorrow. It's an early flight. But yeah, I'm gonna install her, and then that's gonna be the end of the preparation vlog. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so the hair is finished, the brows, everything. I want to tell you guys how I thought I was gonna be able to sleep, and I ended up having to pull an all-nighter. It is currently 3:13 in the morning, and my drive comes at 3:30, so pretty much time to go get dressed, and I have not slept all night. But yeah, this is the hair. I think it's cute. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the prep vlog. So the next time you guys see me, we'll be out of country, baby. Yes, I think it's giving. And now that I have on my wig and the brows are done, the lashes, they're still sewing. The lashes, the lashes don't look that dramatic anymore. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.